Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday, so I'm thinking Fridays might be like vlog day. What do you guys think? Yes, no, you guys kind of like it? Because I do. Right now, my mom and I are getting some lunch. She is ordering it right now. We are trying the Dairy Loo. I don't know, you just go up there, you order the food, and they bring it out to you. It's gonna be really good. All right, we secured the bag. Let's get all of our really greasy food out of here. Gotta use two hands. Oh, those are... What the plan is for the day, we are about to go to Wally World and I'm cooking a Thanksgiving meal. I'm cooking Thanksgiving for my BF because it's our monthly date night and it's my month, and I thought Thanksgiving's right around the corner. He loves food, I love food, date night. Thanksgiving meal, so that's what we're doing. So mom and I are going to be cooking all day long. We're making pie, ham, mac and cheese, like you will see it all. We are making a feast, so he better be ready for some dinner tonight. We just left Walmart and we got all the goodies to make this Thanksgiving feast for two. It's gonna be a lot of food. I wonder if we could do the ham and onion. Probably. Now we're at Dollar Tree, our favorite store, and we are getting some pans to put everything in because, yeah, we have to transport it somehow. And Dollar Tree's the best way to go. I got a whole bunch of cute little decorations that I'll have to show you guys whenever I get it all set up. We're now having a midday shopping break at Bath & Body. Let's cook. We got the ham. That looks completely disgusting, but once it's cooked, hopefully it is yummy, yummy. Right now we're about to make a homemade pie, so we will see how this goes. It's gonna be a chocolate pie, making it from scratch except for the crust. We weren't gonna tackle that, just the actual pie. With that being said, hair's going up because we're about to get serious in the kitchen. Got everything cooked, ready to go. I'm just waiting on the pie. My mom's gonna bring that later. I'm heading over to his house because all of this is a surprise. I think I forgot to mention that. This is a surprise date, so he doesn't know what we're doing. He thinks I'm just going to his house to like clean his room or something, but he is running some errands while I go and cook the rest of the food, get everything set up all nice and cute and ready for him for tonight. my big box of food. It's kind of boring here by myself. Oh my gosh, I have to make mashed potatoes. All right, so now it's time to decorate. Got a tablecloth from Dollar Tree. Got a centerpiece. I got napkins, gobble till you wobble. I got a card. I always get him cards for like everything. I think that's special and sweet. Is that all I got? Oh, and plates. I knew I had more stuff. Plates and placemats. Here is the aftermath of our meal. The pie was freaking good. I'm really proud of me and my mom for making that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed following me around, getting the ingredients and making our first Thanksgiving meal together. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video and to comment something nice. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.